Hello guys, welcome to the Golang course. And we're just going to be diving straight into it. And this first section, I'm going to try as much as possible to make each video section very short and precise. And mind you that alongside the theory, we're also going to be having some mini projects accompanied in this whole course. Okay, so please don't miss it and just stay along. Okay, so let's just dive into it. So what's this Golang all about? So this Golang is just a simple programming language created by Google, right? And it's known for its simplicity, performance, and easy concurrency amongst developers, right? And mind you that you find Go present in, let me use the word ecosystem, such as backend services, cloud computing, especially for those who want to go into cloud, and as well as microservices, right? You find yourself there. So how do we then get started? It's very straightforward. You open your browser and your web browser, anyone, and you just type Golang, and an official page is going to appear to you, which you just navigate through, and from there you can do the installation, be it Linux, Windows, or Mac, right? You just follow the installation procedure, and you're gonna have that. So in this first series of the video, we're just going to be creating a simple hello welcome Go CLI, right, which the user is able to input their name and it greets the user through the CLI. So nothing complex, just very basic and straightforward that we're going to be doing. So now let's go to our VS Code. Okay, as you can see here, with this now I'm going to be able to create, you see I already have a folder here for the first part of this video, or for the first series. I'm just going to create a hello.go. okay, and okay, so now we want to be able to create it, so we need to start with this, say package main, right? Now this package main is special, so it's used to define the starting point of this standalone application, right? Any standalone Go application, right? You always have to import this or use this package main. And along that, now we want to be able to import some couple of standard libraries, right? Libraries, packages. So we're going to say import, and we use parentheses, right? We're going to use Bufio, or use double quotations, if I can use that. We say FMT and OS, right? So like I said, I'm going to explain all of this, and don't worry about this red lines. This red lines is just Golang telling us that we have imported them, but we have not used them. Okay, and now we need the entry point of our application, which is main and func. And mind you that functions in Go are written using the keyword func, right, and main. Now nothing special about this main function, but like literally in every other program, in language, you need to define the main function, because it's like the entry point of the starting point of the program, right? So if we try to write a whole program without the main function and we try to run it, if Go does not see, then Go won't know where to begin executing, right? So I guess we're already familiar with that. So we are now going to be able to prompt something on the interface or on the console to the user for he or she to be able to know that they need to be see what a program is telling them to do. So we do that by saying fmt print ln. Okay, now this print ln is mostly for like a new line. Okay, it occupies only a full line on its own, like, so we can say print your name, enter your name, like print ln is like a full line on its own, like this. And then from there we have now to be able to read the input from the user. So we're going to say reader, and okay, don't worry about the syntax. Okay, this syntax, the colon and equals to, we're going to be talking about them, how they come into play in the subsequent series. Okay, so then Now this studying is just a way of as you can see, a standard input and output, right? It's just a way to be able to read from the console and out of the console, right? So that's it. Now I made mention of this Buffio, right? So this Buffio, it's a package, right, in Go standard library, you can call it, yeah. So it's designed to help us with input and output operations. Now this reader, now it's somehow like a buffer, right? A buffer, a temporary storage area in memory. Now just think of a buffer like a waiting room, nothing more. I won't go too much into the intricacies, but just think of a buffer like a waiting room. So this buffer now reads this data and store it in reader, right? Now from this reader, now we need to know where we need to stop. Maybe like if you are reading the characters, right, where we need to stop. So that's why we now need to create a new variable here saying name, and we ignore, and we're now going to say reader dot read string, okay, and we're going to say, okay, you need to stop reading where, as you can see here, the delen byte, right, somehow like the delimiter, right? So it would tell you here that, okay, when you reach this /n, it's somehow like when you press enter on your keyboard, right? When you press enter on the keyboard, the computer interprets it at /n. I think that's a /n, and then it needs to stop there, right? And mind you that there are multiple reading methods, right? We have the read string, the read line, and the read bytes. Already from the read bytes, read line, and read string, you're able to know what it means, right? The read string reads onto the specified delimiter, which is like the /n or any one. The read line reads a single line of input without including the new line character, but we're not going to be getting into that. This is just introductory. And then now we need to now display this to our users. So we're going to say fmc dot printf, okay. So here we're trying to format it, and we're going to say hello, no, %s, okay, and we're going to say this, and we're going to say welcome to the Go CLI, okay. So add program to the Go CLI program, okay, and this, and then we add the name, okay. Now I'm sure some of you are familiar with this syntax, right, whereby this is somehow equivalent to this. So it's more of like this s here is we're going to use that to be able to insert the user's name, right? So it's like this name here, it's a reference. So this is creating a reference to this. I'm sure for those who have done C and C plus plus should be familiar with such syntax. So yeah, like basically this is just it. Nothing complex, everything simple and straightforward. And let's see if our program works. Okay, if we open our terminal and we try to cd directly into the hello folder, okay, we can clear here. And the way we run a Go program is just by simply saying go run hello.go, okay, and it's going to say enter your name, and I'm just going to say Austin, okay, and it says hello Austin, welcome to the Go CLI program, which is obviously what we have here, right? So basically this was just all about it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share,